Good afternoon, December the 9th, 2015. Time to recap today's trading. We came in today with a bias to the upside. We wanted to get short first because we thought that the market would head lower because of the auction, but at some point they would bring it back, and we got some extra help from the E-mini. So we had a 5 to 9 buy zone on the 10-year, and then a 29 to 2601. Our sell zone was 15 to 19, then 23 to 27, and we've just gotten into our, well, actually we didn't really get into the sell zone. Our high early in the morning was 14.5. We didn't quite get to it until after the market rally, but we had a good strong auction and we are pointed higher. So down to the 30-year auction tomorrow. And what does the 30-year auction bring? Usually brings a little softness or weakness in the morning, then followed by the follow through buying to support the 30-year auction. So don't have a lot of news tomorrow. The news is our usual for Thursday: jobless claims, so jobless claims is 270. It's pretty much the default these days. Don't think a lot of people pay a lot of attention to it. Import prices -0.8. Export prices -0.3. And Bloomberg Comfort Index, don't know what that'll be. Nobody pays attention to it. The natural gas inventories. Don't have an estimate for that, but it should draw this time of the year. So number one news will be jobless claims. Second focus will be direction of ES, which will take precedence right after the jobless claims are out. And then the third will be the dynamics of the 30-year auction. So there we have it. Right now, the first sell, and I think we'll probably see this in the overnight session, will be 23 to 27, then 31 to 03. And this is on the assumption that the E-mini doesn't crater this afternoon. If the E-mini does crater this afternoon, we do not want to be short. On the buy side, 13 to 17 buy 1. 5 to 9 by 2. Okay, even though tomorrow is the 30-year auction, the auction hedge is done in the 10-year because of the liquidity. And you would think, but we'll watch the 30 years at auctions tomorrow too. But we had a huge day, and we're into this sell zone from the other day in the 55.20 to 24 area. So the sell zone on this two-letter ledges at 20 is 19 to 23, then 31 to 03. Strong market. The auction took place at 27, 28. So the first buy will be 1 to 5, and that's pretty aggressive. That's a little bit of help from the E-mini. Otherwise, I think they'll probably push it down to set up the 30-year auction. The auction took place at 27. Last rotate down was 17. So we'll make 17 to 21 for buy 2. I don't think we can get that deep. And we'll see what happens. Gold's been in a trading range. I expect that to continue. Higher low, higher high. We can buy it if we aren't able to bust the 70 area, 1070 area. We can certainly sell the failure to take it out and hold 1085. Looking at the current structure, we've got a seller 75 to 77, kind of where we were last night. So 75, 77, sell 1. And then we'll make 83, 85, sell 2. On the buy side, 71, 69 worked out pretty well today. And 65, 67 for buy 2. Crude oil, I think we're at it below 35, like the short side of the market still. The seller is now at 39. We have higher low, higher high, so if we don't break the, take out that 36.50, 36.75, we can trade from the long side. Obviously, failure to take out 38.50, 39 would be set up a short. So 37.50, 37.75, sell 1. 38, 38 and a quarter, sell 2. On the buy side, 36.75, 37, buy 1. Then we'll make it 36 even, 36 and a quarter, buy 2. Okay, we have that 10.50 on the euro. It was still trading higher the last I looked at it. Dollar weakness does it so. The 110 even, 110.60 would be where resistance would be, and we're at 10.20 right now. So we've got this high right here in the 10.50 area, that G period high. Last rotate up was 75, so 10.50, 10.75, pretty good resistance. And we've rejected prices above 30. We're currently at 19, so sell 1 will be this 30 area. Sell 2 will be 50 to 60. On the buy side, we broke it out at 93, so 110 even, pretty round number, buy 1. And then 975 buy 2. And I'm going to go back to a nickel range on this one. Realize that we're trading higher because I changed the price scale on the right. Things were getting quiet. And they do that to me when make me go back in and redo my scales. Okay, the E-mini, we've been talking about this 1035 area for a, how about 2035 for a long time. And again, it's just really difficult to see how the Fed can raise interest rates next week without damaging the stock market. Now, they run the stock market down into the announcement next Wednesday. Rumor fact trading situation will be there, but since 2009, every time there's been a hint or talk of raising interest rates, this market has sold. And I don't think that dynamic's changed. So where did the 35 area, 32, 35 come from? That low volume number right there. And corrections in bull markets are 50 to 70 points, and we got there. Maybe a little bit more. So pretty clean break in the market in this 35 area. You got that low, you got that high, you got that low. Got this 2-letter ledge, you got that 3-letter ledge right here. We've got 5-letter ledge right there. We have today's low, and structurally we have the low volume number on the right side. So 35 is pretty good support. And what a day. 30 points up, 50 points to the downside. The news, jobless claims, 270. Import-export prices, import prices -0.8, helped by the price of crude oil. Export prices -0.3. We don't export a lot of crude oil. And natural gas inventories, probably in the -50 area. I haven't had that much cold weather. So 50-52 was support. This 50-52 area will be sell 1. Then our 58 to 60 will be sell 2. Basically leaning against 60 on the buy side. We'll have 41 to 39 kind of right here in the sweet spot. Then 35, 37 for buy 2. So support's 35 to 40, and I don't see any reason for it not to come out, but this market has been unbelievably difficult to call based on structure and fundamentals. If it was up the preceding day it sells, if it was down, it rallies, and we may face that very well again in the morning. That's all I have for December the 9th, 2015. I will see you bright and early in the morning. Hope you all have a great evening. We're supposed to get up to 68 this afternoon. Pretty damn nice. See you in the morning.